Hello students, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we are going to study about how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So here we are going to find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So let's see how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. And here if you see the denominators are different. Okay, so when the denominators are different, then how to find the rational numbers between the two rational number? So the numbers are -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here denominators are different, so in that case we have to take the LCM of 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 both are prime numbers, so when we take the LCM of the prime numbers we get the product of that prime numbers. 5 ones are 5, so 2 we have to keep as it is because 2 is not divisible by 5. Then take the 2, so here 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So 5 into 2 we get the LCM 10. So here we got the LCM 10. So 5 how much it is 10? 5 2s are 10. That means 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 by 10. 2 2s are 4 here and 5 2s are 10. And 2 5s are 10. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. So here we got the same denominator and we can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers very easily here. That is, if we have the number line, if we have here -4 by 10, okay, then here we have 5 by 10. So in between we have -3 by 10, -2 by 10, -1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10. Okay, like this we have up to 5 by 10. But when you count this, in between this -4 by 10 and 5 by 10, we get only the 8 rational numbers. We get only 8 rational numbers. Then what about the 10 rational numbers? How to find 10 rational numbers? So in that case, here for these numbers we have to multiply with the 10 or with the 100 or with the 1000. So here I am going to take 10, 4 into 10 divided by 10 into 10 and 5 into 10 divided by 10 into 10. Here you can use the 100 also, you can use the 1000 also. So -4 into 10 it is -40, 10 into 10 it is 100 and 5 into 10 it is 50, 10 into 10 it is 100. So now we got -40 by 100 and 50 by 100. In between these two we can find the 10 rational numbers. So again here we have the number line, that is here -40 by 100, because negative numbers are always at the left side and at the right side there will be a positive numbers. Here we have 50 by 100. In between these two we have -39 by 100, -38 by 100, okay, and then -37 by 100, like that like this up to 0, and then positive numbers 1 by 100, 2 by 100, like this we have up to 50 by 100. So here we can find the 10 rational numbers very easily. So take any 10 rational numbers in between -40 by 100 to 50 by 100. So what are those? -39 by 100 we can take, -38 by 100 we can take, any number in between -42 plus 50, or we can take -2 by 100, we can take 0, we can take 1 by 100, we can take 20 by 100, 21 by 100, and we can take 35 by 100, and we can take 42 by 100, 43 by 100, any numbers which is in between minus 40 and plus 50. So like this we can find the rational numbers in 10 rational numbers, 20 rational numbers, in between the any two rational numbers. Okay students, hope you understood this one. In next video I will come with some more problems about the rational numbers. Bye.